No, no.
No? You're not gonna react? Oh.
Фу, снег лови, блядь.
Та пизду їх.
Going to the zoo can be quite an experience, almost like an Olympic event in itself. Speaking of tricks, snout is just another name for hand for animals.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
The young cat.
Oh.
Hi, Cricket.
Timing isn't crucial, even if it's meant to be low-key. Swaying those hips sure has charm, but her back doesn't seem too on board with the plan. Good folks doing good work. Let's hope this call will reach those who need it. Don't assume short legs mean slow. Some of them can surprise you with their speed. The best part of a journey is probably tumbling upon the perfect spot to take a break.
There she goes.
I just want to cut the fuck out of my hand. Jesus Christ, this thing is cooking. What the fuck? Yes.
Murphy.
Nope.
Food's got superpowers on tackling any situation. Just a sprinkle of seeds and voila! Problem solved in a minute. This was supposed to be a picnic, but God had other plans. This metronome doesn't need electricity, just a tiny bit of bird seed to keep it going. When a spaghetti noodle picking a fight with a weightlifter, you can guess how that showdown ends. Put an extrovert indoors for over 2 hours, and you will see some real cabin fever. Cows may not be as smart as us, but sure know how to upgrade their dinner. The best part of the wooden drawing game is when someone goes for the bottom stick. He's a champ in the real-life version.
You're taking a poop on the road?
That's pretty cool.
En die schok is vol poes. Ja, deze niet zo mooi.
我跳，我还跳。
May not remember your graceful walks, but one slip can make all the difference. Is being clingy a family trait? It's practically a tradition for them at this point.
Є, Кагер. Ти Фіону любиш? Любиш? Фіону.
As a close friend of a couple, you're like the camera, capturing all their lovey-dovey moments.
Любить.
The only way to stop folks from wrecking the King habit is by doing this roughly. Look what we have here. A Cardi B cosplayer walking down the street. Just because you're fast doesn't mean you'll fit in fat. Appreciate the kind words, but step aside, humans. My sweetheart is waiting, and I gotta go.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it. No. It's really not.
I mean, if you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive, you think? Yeah. Oh, he's pissed. He looked at
Again. One more time.
Just for the. All right, let's hear it. Unison. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
do one that makes him jump.